Good evening, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I am reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, August the 27th, 2012, and here is today's After the Bell Market Summary. Before I go in the video here, just want to give you guys a quick update on our website, wallstreettrading.com. You want to make sure you check out the blog for our intraday updates and our posts and our videos. All right, you can find all that there along with other content that we have regarding like how to trade with correct prop, information you want to look at when trading with prop firms, information regarding how to trade options. There's different posts aside from these updates that we have, like the afternoon updates, the day trading calendar. So make sure you have this blog on RSS feed, which you can do that by clicking the button right here. Also, you can go to My Wall Street TV on the website, and you can check out our featured video, also our little cool function that we finally got up and running with all the videos down here right at the bottom. All the updates, these are updated throughout the day. When new videos pop up, this should get updated as well. Market wrap-ups, you can find all the market wrap-ups right here. Midday updates after the bell market summaries, a weekend review, Wall Street's insider interviews, those will be coming shortly, and then about Wall Street trading videos. And everything's just shaping up here. And then our trading, our education tab, everything, which the education tab, we are in the process of recreating that one right there. So a lot of interesting stuff. Make sure you go to the website, wallstreettrading.com. Check it out. Sign up for the 14-day free trial to access the chat room. And if you need any information on how to access the chat room, you can contact me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com, guys. So make sure you check that out. In any case, let's go ahead and take a look at the market here. The Dow Jones was down 33.30. The NASDAQ was up 3.4. S&P 500 was down 0.69. Breadth was in favor of the bears today, as we had 2,919 issues advancing and 3,229 issues declining on the NYSE, NASDAQ, and AMEX. All right. Strong stocks today. Apple, Cisco shows some strength. LLY shows some strength. Just looking at my little heat map here. The basic material sector was a little bit weak. VLO was pretty strong today. So today was just a quiet Monday summer trading. Let's go ahead and take a look at the charts of the chart of the ES here. All right, we remain above that key 1400 level. That is going to be the level to watch. Obviously, that all the traders are watching, that we're all working off of here. If we go back below 1400, we could definitely get some selling. All right, if we consolidate above 1400 more in this range, I'm going to highlight to you guys right here. We consolidate above 1400 more in this range. We can make some nice constructive action and try to get a push higher. At the same time, there's no reason for me to get bearish, or even, there's no reason for me to get bearish on this market or even look for shorts. In general, unless we really get back below this key trend line, which is the trend line that we've been tracking here from that head and shoulders pattern from the neckline right there. Okay, and that's that's around the 1400 area. So the more we consolidate above 1400, the more the more pressure that we could build for a nice move for a good breakout to new highs. So we'll see how that plays out. Keep 1400 on watch. Levels to watch on the top side on the ES. You have this 1415 area, 1420, and then this 1425 area. All right, as far as the SPY goes, I know a lot of you guys watch the SPYs as well. So I've been including the SPY analysis in the videos here. SPY, nice consolidation above this 140 area, which is, of course, equivalent to the 1400 on the ES. Keep an eye on that area. All right, for the top side, we're working with 143.12. As long as we consolidate up here, this action is constructive here, and it looks pretty good still. A little quiet day today, still looking pretty good, but we are still rising above the 20-day simple and exponential moving average. And until something changes and we go back below 140, I'm not really looking for any crazy selling pressure. You have some stocks acting weak. You have some stocks acting strong. Summer trading. You just basically got to pick your targets right. All right, let's take a look at the Qs. Qs held in there pretty well today, thanks to Apple. All right, Apple made highs today. All right, you can see here, Qs are hanging in there. As long as they remain above 68 or even 67 area, this is still looking pretty good. The highs to watch on this one is 68.88. Call it 69. We take a look at Apple. Apple is a leader. All right, Apple made new all-time highs here, and we'll see. We'll see if this holds up. But Apple definitely helped the markets out today, especially the NASDAQ showing some decent strength. Amazon, another stock, made new all-time highs, pulled back in. I actually tried buying this one on the dip later on in the afternoon, then it popped up and it faded. So, just got to keep this stock on watch here to see what it wants to do. it is at a double top, not a double top, but it is at a possible area of resistance that could be a double top. So therefore, we have to continue to watch it. Or if it breaks past 247 and holds above it, that'll be pretty good action for a trade higher, for a nice ride. Whenever that day comes, we'll be ready for it. As you know, we have been keeping tabs on this Amazon stock. Before I go forward, I want to make sure I take a look at IWM, the small caps. Small caps held in there pretty well today, still remain above that 20-day simple moving average, trying to get back above the 8 EMA. We need to get back above this band, this 82 area. If we can get back above this band, we can make some nice action. We can make some good action to the top side on the IWM. So make sure you keep that on watch as well, the 82 area, and then working off of this 80 level for support down there. Let's see, Tiffany's had earnings today. We traded the stock in the morning. All right, it got a little bit chopped up in the stock here. They really didn't get a chance to participate in the big move that it made for the fact we got shaken out a little bit early. The key area that I highlighted to watch in the chat room was this 82.25 area. That comes from pre-market. You can see every time they brought it above 82.25, they sold it. And finally, you got a nice little bounce, and they sold it, faded the stock out, got back above 62, then it went. So, I mean, these earnings plays, guys, they try to do a little shake and bake before they get the right action on the stock. And, I wasn't able to get back in the stock, so therefore it was just a missed trade. But anyway, these are the stocks that you want to be trading on a nice little summer day. The stocks that are in play, the stocks that have fresh news. And we tried to provide that to you guys in the mywallstreettv.com trading room. So again, make sure you sign up for the 14-day free trial and check that out. So in any case, let's go and take a look at a couple more things that I wanted to go over. Let's see here. Crude oil sold off today. All right, and actually crude oil sold off today. Not sure why, the reason why it sold off, maybe because of expectations from the hurricane. Either way, this one's having some resistance at 97. I would not be surprised if crude oil was to pull back in towards 93 or so. All right, taking a look at the GLD. And that was crude oil futures, by the way. Taking a look at the GLD. GLD, nice tight high base. I wanted to buy some gold today for the account, but it's just needs to pull in a bit here. I do not want to get stuck buying this GLD and then one day it pulls in and then it would have been a better buy. So we're going to be trying to look to see if we could purchase it somewhere as close as we can towards the 157 area, or maybe even somewhere down here around 159. This would be a good area to pick it up. So we'll see if we could fade a little bit more in the GLD going into the latter part of the week. That'll definitely be a good pickup. So aside from that, guys, I don't have much. Make sure you come check us out in the chat room. All right, we do have the Wall Street Trading Power Hitter Sheet. That's going to be a service that we're actually adding pretty soon here, and it's going to be some good stuff. So make sure you check out all the stuff that we have in store for you guys here. All right, guys, hope you guys had a great trading day today, and I'll definitely catch you guys tomorrow in the War Room. Have a great night, guys. Later.